dalawang free throw.
May traveling.
Sino? Hindi ko maintindihan. Number 7, foul. Yun.
Oh, video.
Big. Foul si Big. First personal foul. 30 foul.
Kayo na mamimili ng anong kalaban.
Hindi naman kami marunong mamili eh.
Walastik na
Kahit sino
yun.
naman.
Walastik na yun.
First one was good, but the second one is, you know. Robin! Kitang-kita ko doon, Jaron. Kahit walang camera.
Meron.
40 fouls. Sino foul? 23, Pakali. Oh, sub. Sub. Jaron Arnel in. Remaining time, 7